means. Number 1, insert a geometric mean between 4 and 16. So in geometric mean, we are going to find one term that is in between 4 and 16. So, given first term is 4 and the last term is 16. By diagram, we note that since we are only finding one geometric mean, isa lang hinahanap natin. So we have 4, then blank, then 16. What is asked is the geometric mean of the form of the two numbers. So what is asked? What is asked? Geometric mean between 4 and 16. So our formula, since we are looking for only one, we are looking only for the one mean, so the formula is square root of AB, where A is the first term and B is the last term. So solution, we have square root of AB. This is actually equal to the square root of 4 times 16. This is equal to the square root of 64. And square root of 64 is equal to 8. Now the question here is negative 8 accepted as a geometric mean between 4 and 16? Theoretically, negative 8 is still an answer. Why? Since we can have a common ratio that is negative. So we have 4, negative times negative 2. In this case, we have negative 8, then negative 2. 8 times negative 2 is still positive 16. So we can say that negative 8 is also a answer to the geometric mean between 4 and 16. So the answer will be positive 8 or negative 8. In the sense that we are not restricting the common ratio in only positive connotation. So we are still accepting the fact that the geometric mean can also be negative. So the answer will be 8 or negative 8. Example number 2, insert two geometric means between 15 and 120. So what are we going to do is to have a diagram first. And the diagram states that we have to insert two geometric means. So meron dalawang number sa pagitan ng 15 at saka ng 120. So 15, blank, blank, then 120. So, paano natin siya kukunin? So this is our first term. So hanapan natin ang second term at saka ang third term. Given ang fourth term natin is 120. So we cannot apply the square root of AB since dalawang geometric means na ang hinahanap natin. So we have another formula. And the formula that we're going to use is based on what we have derived in our previous videos. So we will derive first by getting first the common ratio before finding the terms of the sequence. So ang formula natin is R is equal to n minus 1 root of a sub n over a sub 1. So ang kukunin natin ito na formula. Natatandaan niyo pa pang formula nito? R is equal to n minus 1 root of a sub n all over a sub 1. So hahanapin muna natin ang common ratio. So ang common ratio is R is equal to n minus 1 root of a sub n all over a sub 1. So we have our a sub n in this case is 120 divided by 15, and this is 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So cube root ng 120 divided by 15 is equal to 8. And the cube root of 8 is actually equal to positive 2 alone. Hindi siya pwedeng negative 2 kasi ang ating index is odd. Therefore, kung ano ang cube root ng positive, dapat positive rin ang sagot. So we will multiply 15 by 2 to get the second term. So 15 times 2 is equal to 30. And 30 times 2 is equal to 60. Therefore, we can conclude that the two geometric means between 15 and 120 is 30 and 60.